Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Square Point of Sales for beginners. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Square POS or Square Point of Sale. And then, of course, you have to sign up for an account. And if you have an account already, just have to sign in. And then, after signing in, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be redirected to your dashboard. So, right here on your home page, you'd be able to see this different information. And then, at the left side, we have this different options that we can explore. So, the very first thing that we should do here is to look at the details of our store. So of course, since we already have the Square point of sale, we already have our store as well. Okay, so it's kind of an analytics here on Square point of sale. Okay, so when you go to the take a payment option, you'd be able to see here this option where you can see the transaction details, and then you have to put the amount, the total, the note, and then you have to add a customer for this payment. And then if you want to itemize the sale, so you can do that as well. Now going back to the home page, okay, when you scroll down, you have here the reports, the appointments, transactions, and the online. So when you clicked on the online option, okay, so right here you'd be able to see your store. So you have to follow the different steps in order for you to complete your store. Okay, so you can customize the site, add a catalog item, shipping, domain name, and publish this site. Okay, so when you clicked on the website option, so you can edit your website, and when you clicked on the items option, you can also add your new items right here. Okay, that's right. And then here, the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to go back to the home page. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. And then when you go to the customer management right here, you can see here the customer directory, gift cards, and other details as well. Okay, so going back to the online section, let us now customize our store or our website. So you can see here at the right side that this is how it looks like in the mobile view. Okay, so to customize this one, just click on the edit site option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so let me click on the edit site option. That is right. Then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'd be able to see here now your website. Okay, so from here you can now start customizing everything. So starting off with the header, so let me just scroll down just to show you everything. Okay, so we have the header. So if you want to customize the header, just click on it, and then this option at the left side of your screen will open. Now you can change the layout and color. You can also change the header scroll settings, the effects section, and then the color style as well. Okay, so for the header scroll settings, I'm going to select the this option. Now if you want to change the colors, just go here and then select your color. Then to add a color, just click on the plus icon. That's right. And then after that, just click on the done. So if you want to change the main color as well, just select the main color and then choose your color. Now click on done after that, and then here scroll down and be able to see here the site elements as well, so you can also customize that. Now the next one is the background image or the main banner. So if you want to change this one as customize, just have to click on the three dots, and then you can upload your own image, your logos, or premium photos, or Instagram. So for Instagram, you have to connect your Instagram account in order for you to use your Instagram photos. And now for the buttons, You can also toggle the switch on for the buttons if you want to use this one. And then if you want to change the color, you can also do that. Now, if you want to change the link, so for example, you just want to link this button to an external link. Of course, since it's an external link, you have to provide the URL. But if it just, inside your website, you just have to select the page, okay? Then the next one is the featured items. So right here, if we want to change the items, so I just have to click on it. Then if you want to use the most popular, so just select it. And then you can also create an item. So this is how it looks like. So we can change also the layout for the featured items. Okay, so just go here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the layout, and we can also adjust the image size if you want to. And then of course the color style, we can also change that as well. Okay, just select your color, and then you can also edit the color and style. So for the content, we have the section title, the item images, item titles, item prices. So if you want to remove some of this content, so just have to toggle the switch off. Okay, and now for the footer. Okay, so if you want to add more information or details for your footers, you just have to click on it and then add those information. Okay, then the next thing that we should do is to add a new section. So in order for you to add a new section, just go here and click on the add section option. Now you just have to decide if what kind of content you want to add to the new section that you have added. Okay, so for example, you would like to use the section as an image gallery. So you just have to choose the layout for the image gallery. Okay, so this one, I think this one is too crowded, and this one is too basic. I love this one. I love the different sizes and how it looks like, so I think I'm going to use this one. So let us try to view this in a mobile view in order for us to know if what are the changes that we have to make. So I think everything is good. It is all functional, both of the mobile view and the desktop view. Okay, and then if you want to add more details, for example, you want to change the site style, so you just have to go here, select the site style that you want to use, and then do not forget to select the apply option so that you can apply the site style to your website. Okay, so let me just switch this to the desktop view. Okay, this one, and now this is how it looks like. So if you have your items already, you'd be able to see them right here. And after that, do not forget to publish your website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.